your trusted source for everything two-wheeled, from touring giants to urban commuters. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most iconic names in long-distance touring, the 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 gallons. A motorcycle that has stood the test of time for over 4 decades, the Goldwing continues to redefine comfort, luxury, and technological innovation in the touring motorcycle segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider planning your next cross-country expedition or a first-time buyer looking for the pinnacle of long-distance comfort, this video has everything you need to know about Honda's flagship touring machine. The legacy of the Goldwing. Before we get into the new features of the 2025 model, let's take a moment to appreciate the legacy of the Goldwing. Launched in 1975, the Goldwing began as a naked 1,000 cubic centimeters flat-4 bike. Over the decades, it evolved into a full-dress touring behemoth, known for its smooth 6-cylinder engine, unmatched comfort, and industry-leading reliability. The Goldwing has long been the benchmark against which all other touring motorcycles are judged, and for good reason. With each iteration, Honda pushes the boundaries of technology and rider comfort, and the 2025 version is no exception. Design evolution: subtle, sleek, and sophisticated. The 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 gallons continues to carry its bold, aerodynamic design language, but with subtle refinements that give it a fresh yet familiar look. The bodywork has been ever so slightly reworked for improved wind deflection, with sleeker lines that reduce drag and enhance fuel efficiency. The front fairing now integrates LED matrix headlights with adaptive cornering lights, a feature previously found only in luxury automobiles. The stillbag design has also been updated to better blend with the body, and the bike is now offered in 3 new color schemes, including a stunning midnight blue metallic and a premium pearl white gold. Engine and performance: pure 6-cylinder bliss. At the heart of the 2025 Goldwing lies the tried-and-true 1833 cubic centimeters horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine. It delivers a silky smooth ride with plenty of torque across the entire RPM range. The engine is mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission or Honda's advanced 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, which offers seamless gear changes whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating urban traffic. For 2025, Honda has retuned the engine mapping to improve low-end responsiveness and fuel efficiency, particularly useful for stop-and-go city riding or when carrying a passenger and full luggage. Suspension and ride quality: floating on the highway. One of the standout features of the Goldwing 1800 gallons has always been its Hossack-style double wishbone front suspension, which separates steering and suspension functions for unparalleled ride comfort. For 2025, Honda has fine-tuned the suspension damping to better absorb sharp impacts without sacrificing cornering performance. The electronically adjustable rear suspension now features auto-load leveling, which dynamically adjusts to rider and passenger weight. This gives riders the feeling of literally floating over the road, a key reason why Goldwing fans swear by this machine for cross-country travel. Infotainment and technology: a rolling tech suite. Touring bikes today are as much about technology as they are about performance, and the 2025 Goldwing doesn't disappoint. The 7-inch TFT screen remains the centerpiece of the cockpit, now featuring improved brightness and anti-glare coating for better daytime visibility. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto continue to be standard, allowing full smartphone integration for navigation, music, and calls. Voice control and Bluetooth headset pairing have been enhanced, and the onboard navigation system now includes real-time traffic and weather updates. Honda has also introduced a new Tour Mode for infotainment, which optimizes sound quality and screen layout for long rides. Comfort and ergonomics: luxury on 2 wheels. Comfort is where the Goldwing truly shines. The 2025 model comes with heated seats and grips, a power-adjustable windscreen, and new high-density foam padding for both rider and passenger. The seating ergonomics have been slightly modified for reduced pressure points and better back support on extended rides. The passenger backrest is now more contoured and includes integrated armrests, providing new automobile levels of comfort. Honda's air management system has also been updated, with new venting positions that direct warm or cool air where it's needed most. Storage and touring capability. Storage remains one of the Goldwing's strong suits. The saddlebags and top trunk offer a combined storage capacity of nearly 110 liters, easily enough for 2 people to pack for a multi-day journey. The electric trunk opener and keyless ignition make accessing your gear simple and intuitive. Honda has also added more internal lighting within the luggage compartments and improved the sealing mechanism for better protection against rain and dust. Optional accessories include a luggage rack, backrest storage pouch, and custom liners for better organization. Safety features: smart touring. Honda has gone above and beyond in the safety department. Standard features include ABS, traction control, and a hill start assist function. The 2025 Goldwing also features adaptive cruise control with collision mitigation, which automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe following distance. The blind spot monitoring system has been updated to provide more accurate alerts, and the tire pressure monitoring system now shows individual tire pressure readings in real time. Combined with the stability of the low center of gravity and the electronically adjustable suspension, the Goldwing offers confidence-inspiring safety on any road. Fuel efficiency and range. Despite its size, the 2025 Goldwing is surprisingly fuel efficient, thanks in part to the revised engine mapping and aerodynamic improvements. It averages around 42 miles per gallon, and with its 5.5-gallon tank, you're looking at over 230 miles of range per fill-up. This makes it ideal for long-haul touring with fewer stops along the way. The new Eco Ride indicator also helps riders adopt more fuel-efficient habits by providing real-time feedback on throttle and gear usage. Pricing and variants. For 2025, Honda offers the Goldwing in two main variants: the Goldwing Tour with the full luggage setup and top trunk, and the standard Goldwing, which comes without the trunk for a sleeker look. Pricing starts at around $24,500 for the base model and goes up to approximately $29,000 for the fully loaded Tour version with DCT and all available features. Optional add-ons include fog lights, extra USB ports, upgraded speakers, and custom paint finishes. Final thoughts: a class of its own. The 2025 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons continues to hold its crown as the ultimate luxury touring motorcycle. With cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, and legendary reliability, it remains the bike of choice for those who take long-distance touring seriously. Honda has struck a fine balance between tradition and innovation, keeping the Goldwing true to its roots while adapting to modern needs and expectations. Whether you're planning a coast-to-coast ride or just want to experience the pinnacle of two-wheeled comfort, the 2025 Goldwing is a ride worth every mile. Outro: subscribe for more on Bike Updater Pro. Thanks for tuning into Bike Updater Pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest bikes, gear, and reviews. Got questions or thoughts on the new Goldwing? Drop them in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.